This is Dustin with Tech MD. Today we're recording a Nexus 5 and we're going to be replacing this, the volume down button, which is the exact same thing as the power button and volume up button. So if you watch this video, you can do pretty much the same thing with the other device here. So first we just want to initially get into the device. We can use our Reassembling tool. Just get a little opening here. Okay, so now we got an opening. Now we use our plastic tool and just run the tool along the edges, and then it'll all come loose here. Make sure you turn it off. I think I did, yes. Okay, the side's open. Now, most of these Nexuses are glued down, so you're going to have to use a little heat to open it up further once we get these clips undone. Jeez. Okay, so it's glued right here. So all we have to do is just take our heat gun, 950 degrees, and warm it up a little bit. And just pulling up pressure. Some more clips down here. There we go. Now it's loose. Okay, so we're just going to focus on removing all these screws. The reason why we do these repair videos is to show our techs on how to do the repair. Also to show the world that we can do the repair, and finally to tell the world we're looking for technicians across the US. If you think you can do these kind of repairs, you should definitely contact me, Dustin. Go to the website and click on franchising info and read all about our opportunity to become part of the business. So obviously we want to unplug the power. Now this is kind of a tricky piece, so you just want to pop it off like this. Oh, there goes my tool. Way under the table here. Okay. Now we're going to help it up along here. Okay, so move that out of the way. I'm going to pop this out here. And pop out this. Pop out the camera. Pop out the other camera. You can use the plastic tool for that. Okay, and then we need to use our SIM card tool to pop out the SIM card. My wife is watching an interesting show on Netflix, so sorry about the cussing. Okay, so now that's out, you just set this aside. Okay, and it's plastic clip. And now we're going to focus on the volume down button right here. Okay? We're going to check to see if there's any plastic in the way, and there is a big giant piece of plastic right here. We're going to go ahead and remove that out of the way. Now, if you're afraid of melting this piece right here, you're going to put captain's tape over it. And it's pretty close to where I'm working, so I'm going to see if I have any captain's tape. So just to let you know, if you are working on the volume up button, you must put captain's tape here, but I'm only going to work on this edge, so I don't have to really worry about it. I need to buy some extra more captain's tape. Apparently I ran out. So first things first, we're just going to put some flux in between here. It's the no clean stuff. Okay, and then we're going to get our heat tool. Well, that sucks. Put some weight on top of it. I just like to put my heat tool on top. Okay. Now we're going to take our new piece here. And we're going to get a little solder paste. So, and that's just the solder paste, silver bearing solder paste. And we're going to take something sharp, like a knife or something along those lines, to put it on our connections here. Some tweezers. Tweezers. Recommend tweezers. Okay, so a little on our tip. Just going to coat each corner. Okay, so there's the rear. Okay, and then there's this piece right here. Hope I'm getting this on film. And then a little bit of solder paste on this piece here, this corner here. If you don't do this, it will not connect. I don't know any other way to do this repair than this. Okay, now it's fully solder paste on. Go ahead and set that. Actually, we can just leave it clipped to this. That'll be perfect. No. Really easy to lose. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and warm up the back side of this. Don't mind the smoke here because I got some rag left over on this. Also, the flux will smoke too. So we're gonna just focus the heat this direction, so that way we don't melt anything. Whoa! That's never happened before. What do we pop on the backside? Oh, it's a cap. Okay. Whew. It's just a cap on the board, it's fine. Fireworks. And I missed it on film too. I forgot to record that. There's a cap on the back of the board that popped. Okay. A little bit more flux on it here. Hopefully it helps it desolder here.
What is going on in here? You're supposed to be making the marinade.
We were just trying to pick a date.
For what?
A trip. A cruise to Alaska. On a ship.
Is that what you guys wanted to talk about this morning?
Yes, yes, yes.
Well, December is out. And January, we have 2 fundraisers and that charity museum gala. Let's just do this after. You marinated the chicken?
Great. We'll plan our trip then.
You know what? I'll marinate the chicken. Robert, would you at least get the ice from the other freezer?
We have another freezer.
We were right. I'm coming.
Want to build a house?
I think my heat gun's dying here.
What is it?
Yeah, it's not warming it up enough.
Cynthia, this is not about this business. It's about the breakdown of your inspection services. Now, I need to speak to Martin. I know he's in Singapore, and it's a holiday weekend.
Not a holiday weekend in Singapore.
Not a holiday weekend in Singapore. Thank you, Cynthia. And keep me telling her she's gonna get him. Finally. I'm so sorry about all this. I really wanted to be with you this weekend.
Mommy, a whole work thing, it's no big deal.
Yeah, speaking of, how's yours? Work?
It's good.
What's the matter?
It's just the usual shit. My mouth, things.
Man, you are so good at what you do. You make so much money for so many people.
Yes.
You're always the smartest person in the room.
Yes, thank you.
You're also the least liked.
Yes, wait. No. I'm just hyper competent, intuitive, assertive.
You know, which translates as intimidating or unspoken. Get it? You can share some of those qualities.
Yeah, no shit.
See? This is just the kind of thing that gets you fired. You have got to play with others. Or figure out how to be the boss. What? What do you mean he's gonna call me back?
I know it hurts, but your room is dancing.
And a musical number that has been going on since the dawn of time.
No, it's the Grand Castle Frisbee in my vagina.
Such a miracle. Hey, honey, should I get you a fresh one?
Please don't. But I will have some Ovaltine.
Oh, got it. What are you doing? Spit that cigarette out. You got a pregnant woman here. Sorry. You sat down and first one.
And then we just check our connections here. Let's zoom out.
Yeah.
So we just make sure that all the connections are soldered all around it. Okay. Let that cool down. Hot, hot, hot.
Considering the thing we said we never talked about, but now we're talking about, we're so fucking stoned. No, I don't know.
That was a fun summer.
Wait about you.
What?
The last few times I've seen you, you've been really high.
So when you make your appointments, you make them for what, about a half hour?
Usually, most repairs I can do in 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
I am fun.
I actually gave you a big discount on the volume button because usually I charge $100 to do the buttons. So, but I figured who would pay $100 for a volume down button? So I gave you $40 off.
You know what?
What's the most common problem with phones people bring up?
Oh, screen, obviously.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Number one. So you just have a big pile of screens that
Mhm.
you just pop in.
Yep.
Valley is an important facilitator to
What's the
communication
second?
with the outer world.
Charge ports, batteries, maybe. I don't know. Probably batteries.
Batteries and charge ports where you just wear them out because of like wind or
Yeah, most people abuse their batteries. I'm one of them. I just don't let my battery go below 5%. This is, really important. It's really bad to let
So
your battery
that's
go
the
low.
deal is if you let it get low, then the charging is a problem.
No, just, the battery will be a problem, not the charging.
But you really do have to have good eyes, don't you?
Yeah, I have to get pretty close, line up everything.
I saw all the hurt you're causing people.
Did you grow up around here?
No, well, kind of. Bakersfield and Utah here. So,
Bakersfield isn't anywhere near here.
well, yeah, I'm just back and forth between parents.
Yes, and because of what you said before.
What did I say?
But I wouldn't know anything because I've never been.
The only thing I can think of about
There we go.
Bakersfield is Dwight Yoakam, isn't it? Bakersfield.
What's that?
The only thing I know about Bakersfield is Dwight Yoakam from Bakersfield.
Yeah, don't forget Buck Owens.
Oh, Buck Owens. Yes, yes, yes.
Listen, Frankie, this is not a good time, okay? I have a lot to do here. Seems like I'm the only one doing it.
You know,
So we're good.
shit, you love me.
With a smile on his face, he says this looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
And it makes you feel more important when
I put the SIM card in too late, so I want to turn it back on.
tired of it, and it does not give you
Ugh.